This set of PEMDAS problems is at the intermediate level. We have exponents and radical expressions in these problems. The thing to know about radical expressions like the square root of 16 is that they can be rewritten as an exponent. So the square root of 16 is the same as 16 to the 1/2 power. So in terms of the order of operations, they're going to be where the exponent is in the acronym PEMDAS. They're going to come second in the order of operations. So starting with number 1, I have 2 squared, which is going to be 4. I know the square root of 16 is going to be 4, and that is going to be divided by 4. 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 divided by 4 is going to give us 4. Problem number 2, I have the square root of 36, so I have an exponent down here, but I know that a radical expression can be rewritten as an exponent, so this essentially is the first exponent of the problem. The square root of 36 is going to give me 6. And I know, well, this is my second exponent in the problem, or radical expression, so the square root of 16 is going to give me 4. Divided by 2 squared, well, that's just 4. Now I have multiplication here, division over here. I'm going to take care of 6 times 3 is going to give me 18. Minus 4 divided by 4. Now 4 divided by 4 is going to give me 1. And 18 minus 1 is going to give me 17. Problem number 3. This problem seems a little bit ugly, but just following the acronym PEMDAS, I'm going to take care of whatever in the innermost set of parentheses. So 2 squared, that's going to give me 4 plus 9. So 4 plus 9 is going to give me 13. Looks like I have an exponent, so 3 to the power of 3. 3 times 3 times 3, that's going to give me 27. Now 39 minus 27 is going to give me 12. And 12 plus 13 is going to give me 25. Remember, I still have this big radical sign over this entire expression, so the square root of 25 is going to give me 5. Moving on to number 4, I have a set of parentheses right here. I'm going to take care of that first. 8 divided by 2 is going to give me 4. Well, now I've taken care of any parentheses. Moving on to exponents, well, I have a 3 squared here. 3 squared is just 9. And 4 squared is 16. And now I have multiplication right here. So 1/4 times 4 is going to give me 1. Now I have 1 minus 9, which is going to give me negative 8. Minus 16, this is going to be negative 24. Moving on to the last problem. This problem looks a little bit complicated, but we can rewrite this and make this look a little bit nicer. First thing I want to do is take 4 to the 1/2 power. I'm going to rewrite that as a radical, so the negative square root of 4 minus 8 squared is going to be 64, and then divided by 2. And I'm going to have 27 to the 1/3 power, which is raised to the power of 3 itself. So here I'm going to use the power of a power rule. So when I have a power raised to another power, I can just multiply these two numbers right here together. So 1/3 times 3 is going to give me 1. So this is actually just going to be 27 raised to the power of 1, which is just 27. So right away that looks a lot better. I'm going to take care of this radical 4. The square root of 4 is just going to be 2. So I'm going to have negative 2 minus 64 divided by 2 all over 27. Take care of the division. 64 divided by 2 is going to give me 32. And I have negative 2 minus 32 over 27. Negative 2 minus 32 is going to be negative 34. And 27 is going to stay on the bottom there. Thank you for watching.